Hi guys! So today's project is a little do-it-yourself highlighting kit by KRISTEN Cavallari and DPHue co-founder Justin Anderson by using this cool brush to paint on highlights. Keep in mind, I have pretty dark-ass roots at this point. They're almost about 2 inches, so this will be a gentle way to maybe help blend in some of my previously lightened hair. Told you, some pretty dark-ass roots right there. But this product's main ingredients are water, lemon juice, and hydrogen peroxide. So it's very gentle on the hair and pretty much a fail-proof way to try to lighten your hair. I'm going to take thin sections around my part and apply the brush in a V-like motion from my root all the way to the previous highlight part of my hair. Now after I've worked around the natural part of my hair, I'm going to put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Again, taking thin V-like sections and applying the brush from root to the highlight. Also, try to avoid making a mess like me. Now comb through all your hair to help increase natural blending. Oh bitch, you thought you were done? You still got all this underneath darkness. In hindsight, I probably should have clipped up some of my hair, but we're just gonna keep on keeping on. Next step is we're gonna heat activate our product. That's either by blow drying or going out in the sun. And since we're in quarantine, I went the easy way. Our next and final step is using purple shampoo and conditioner. And there you go guys, a very gentle way of blending in your new growth using the Blonding Brush by DPHue and purple shampoo and conditioner. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and know that your hairstylist misses you just as much as you miss them.